CEDE ARUBA stands for Center for Development of Aruba. We are a community foundation aiming at supporting non-profits and grassroots voluntary initiatives in the implementations of their programs. Our roles are providing funding, capacity building, networking, advocacy, and also program implementation. We are based in Aruba, but we are also collaborating with our sister islands in the Dutch Caribbean part of the kingdom. And we are collaborating with many other different European countries. Since 2017, we have been collaborating with the European Solidarity Corps, and we have been starting to send young people between 18 and 30 years to different European countries for volunteer work. So we believe that this program is a tremendous opportunity for young people to gain international experience, learning to live on their own, gaining life skills and experiencing international volunteer work. Since 2019, we have also started to host European volunteers here in Aruba, mainly for our own programs, but also to support different foundations and NGOs in Aruba with their projects, such as community centers and youth organizations. And we believe that European volunteers that want to experience Aruba and contribute to our own social field also provide us a tremendous opportunity to build capacity of our local organizations. Since 2025, we have obtained an accreditation for youth worker mobilities, where we connect youth workers from different islands and countries in training courses where we try to build capacity of youth workers related to the complex environments they are working in order to provide skills to better support young people in their development. This is also a tremendous opportunity, since mobility between islands and countries is not always easy to get funded, and in this case the European Union, especially Erasmus+, provides us the opportunity to make these things happen and to host many of these trainings here on our island. We really believe that the Erasmus Plus and European Solidarity Corps programs can impact and support and strengthen local initiatives that we are doing. The islands and the Dutch Caribbean part of the kingdom all have relatively vulnerable social support systems, especially in the youth work area, and we believe that it's a nice opportunity for young people first to gain local experience in doing good for the community, becoming volunteers, becoming leaders, and then having international experience outside of Aruba to gain skills. And I believe also that European volunteers can contribute greatly to strengthen our systems and to provide meaningful experiences to young people here in Aruba. So we see it as a holistic collaboration between local programming and international work. The beautiful aspect of this collaboration and these programs is that they don't necessarily have an end date. So there is perspective for us to build together and to keep collaborating, build strong partnerships between the countries and between the island to keep these programs going and to make bigger things happen in the next upcoming years.